In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to make your iPhone alarm louder. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Sound and Haptics. Inside this, you're gonna find the option of ringtone and alerts. You're gonna find this slider. This controls not only your ringtone volume but also your alarm volume. Now, the important setting you need to check is change with buttons. If this option is turned on, using the side volume buttons will change your ringtone and alarm loudness. But if you turn this toggle off, the volume buttons will only control media sounds like videos, music, and games, while your alarm volume stays unchanged. This is super useful because you can lower media volume at night without worrying about missing your morning alarm. Also, Apple does not normally let you set a separate alarm volume directly inside the clock app, but there is a workaround using the sleep schedule feature. To do this, launch your clock app. Now go to Alarms tab, click on the option Setup for Sleep Wake Up, click on Setup in Health, click on Continue. Now set up your sleep schedule, click on Next, customize these settings and click on Done. Now launch your clock app. Here you're gonna find the sleep alarm, click on Change, toggle on for the option alarm. And now here you're gonna find this slider. From here you are able to control the volume using this slider. And that's it. That's how you can stop accidentally lowering your iPhone alarm volume and make sure your alarm stay loud enough to wake you up every morning. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.